With the help of Toradex, we would like to show you how easy it is to use LVGL to reach short boot times, simple tech stacks, easy integration, and develop modern UIs in general. If you would like to try out LVGL in the Toradex ecosystem, we have created some ready-to-use GitHub repositories for you. All you need to do is go to our GitHub organization, find the Toradex boards, download those repositories, and type the same commands that we already have in the README. We have some Docker containers there, so all the complex Yocto building operations are hidden from you. It's really just 3 command line commands. If you are already into the Toradex ecosystem and using Torizon, it's even simpler for you. We have Torizon containers as well, so in the very same way as you have used any other applications, you can get started with LVGL as well. Besides this, we are working on some LVGL features. We will add OpenGL support into LVGL to let you create 3D graphics on capable NPUs like Toradex has. We are also working on runtime blurring, but there is something more. We are working on our UI editor tool. It's a little bit different than what you might expect and what you might see with the other UI solutions. It's not a drag and drop fashioned tool because we are targeting developers specifically. And we believe that developers want to use something more keyboard-oriented. Therefore, we describe the UI in an XML declarative language, which is very similar to HTML. By using this, you will immediately see how the UI that you develop looks like, and you can decide to export C code from it, or you can load the XML files at runtime without recompiling your application. We target this September with version 0.1. So that's it in short about LVGL. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please contact us at lvgl@lvgl.io.